you work for 30 days but your salary only lasts for 7 days, my friend, come closer. This video is for you because that reality is not sustainable. You can't be giving 30 days of your energy, your sweat, your time, only for the reward to disappear in less than a week. Let's fix that today. I'm about to show you the 6 powerful strategies to make your salary last. Not just for 30 days, in some cases 45 days and beyond. Now let me be clear, this is not a pity party or a get rich quick. And I know some of you may be saying the salary is not enough to start with. Money is never enough, and yes, that's true for many people, not only in Nigeria but across the country, in Africa, Asia, and even advanced countries. But here is the thing. While we work on increasing your income, we also need to master the art of stretching what you already earn. Start with what you have. Because if you don't master that skill, when money comes, it will also disappear. So let's get started. Welcome to this mind-blowing video with happiness. In this channel, we talk about business, investing, and financial strategy to help improve the quality of your life when it comes to financial management. If you're yet to subscribe, you're missing out on mind-blowing videos. So hit that button and turn on post notification and let's dive in. Point number 1. Remember I said I'll be sharing with you 6 powerful strategies. Budget based on priorities, not wishes. Listen carefully. Money does not disappear, we spent it. And if you don't tell your money where to go, it will leave you for things you don't plan for. That's why the very first step is budgeting based on priorities and not wishes. A lot of people budget emotionally. Their salary and the first thing on their mind is, oh, I deserve a new phone, I deserve a trip, I deserve this outfit. No doubt, don't get me wrong. Yes, you deserve it. But can you afford it right now? That's the question. Let me break down with a quick formula. And this formula is called the essential list. Rent or housing cost, utility, electricity, internet, water, and all those stuff. Food, transportation, and saving. Yes, this is an essential, not optional. If your salary cannot comfortably cover these 5, then your rent or lifestyle is too expensive. For instance, if you earn 100k monthly, your rent should not be more than 300k a year. So if you are paying 600k for rent, you are living above your means. It's not sustainable. And let me say this with love. If you can't afford to stay alone, don't do that. There is no shame in having a roommate or staying with a family. What is more shameful is living broke because you're trying to impress society. Now do this little exercise. Write down your last month's expenses and cycle only the essential ones. Then compare it to your wishes. You'll be shocked how much goes into the wish column. Now moving forward, point 2. Track every naira. I use the word naira. Track all. If you don't measure it, you can't control it. You need to track every single naira, dollar, or pounds that leaves your hand. Here's why this matters. When you track your money, you expose the leaks. Then you will realize you're not broke. You're just bleeding from small unconscious expenses. And you can use apps like Money Manager, Mint, or a simple notebook. Every time you spend, write it down. Do this for 30 days and thank me later. You're welcome. Point number 3. Automate your saving. Here is the hard truth. If you wait until the end of the month to save, there is nothing left. Savings comes first, not last. There's a principle called pay yourself first. If you can apply that principle, you're good to go. So the moment your salary enters, a percentage should move for savings or investment automatically. This is non-negotiable. Even if it's just 5%, start with that. Because savings is not about the amount, it's about building a habit. And I will tell you for free, it's not easy to stay disciplined. Most especially if it's your first time. But it's worth it. And please don't save in the same account where you spend. That's not saving, that's postponing spending. Wait, is it postponing or postponing? Either ways, open a separate account, be it savings or investment. Or better still, you can use an app that locks funds anyway. Remember, you don't save what is left after spending. You spend what is left after saving. Point number 4. Cut small repeated expenses. This one will sting a little because it's the small thing that eats your salary. You see that ice cream twice a week, daily shawarma, early morning coffee. Most people call it early morning booster. You are looking at 60 to 80k every month gone on things you can't even remember. See if you can chest the billing, you're good to go. Don't come and say I said you should stop it oh. But Amaka, you know, or should I say it? Okay, moving forward. Now I challenge you to do this practical for 1 month. Cut just one small repeated expenses. Maybe snacks, soft drink, or even ride. And watch how you will save. You see that extra? It can go into either savings or investment. Point number 5. Switch to cheaper brand. The goal is for salary to last longer. Loyalty to brands will not pay your bills. If the detergent you buy suddenly double in price, my dear, switch. If your favorite bread increases by 50%, try another bread. Most time, the only difference is packaging, not quality. Smart shoppers know when to adjust. Also buy in bulk. This will save you when inflation rises. It's a simple math. The point is not to downgrade your lifestyle. It's to be smart with your choices. You can maintain quality without breaking the bank. Point number 6. Add another streams of income. Now let me break my own rule. Earlier I said this video is not about making more money. But let's be honest. No matter how disciplined you are, a small salary will always be limited. Listen, I'm not saying quit your job, alright? Or start something that will drain all your energy. I'm talking about smart, simple streams. Like sell something to your colleague or neighbor. Learn a digital skill you can monetize, be it graphics design, copywriting, or social media management. You can partner with people, for example, become a referral agent for a real estate company. You don't need to build a house, but you earn commission. Freelance online. You see, platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are global marketplace for skill. A recent poll showed that 60% of Nigerians are relying on side hustle to cover expenses. That's the reality. If you rely on just one income stream, you are one job away from poverty. Listen, the goal is not just to survive a month. The goal is to build financial habits that prepare you for abundance, because money is like water. If you don't channel it properly, it will leak away. So if this video has helped you, share with your friends and colleagues who also complain that salary don't finish after 1 week. They will thank you for it, and please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you'll be the first to see another mind-blowing video when I drop it. Until the next time, remember, you work too hard to stay broke. Take charge of your money and let your money start working for you. Cheers.